Welcome to CoderNotepad, a smart way to transform your data instantly using simple code. Let's say you want to multiply every number by 5 dot. Just head over to the map tool and write a single line of code. And boom, the entire list is transformed in seconds. All you gotta do is write the code you need. That's it. Say I only want the even numbers. I just type the logic, hit filter, boom, clean and done. Write any logic you want. One line complete transformation. But this isn't just for numbers. You can transform any type of data. Let's say you have a list of random words and you want to remove all the vowels. I've already solved this in Ninja's JavaScript, so I can just copy the solution to save time. So I just copy my logic from there, paste it here in map and done. Whether you're a student practicing logic or a developer transforming real-world data, the map tool in CoderNotepad gives you full control over 10, 100, or even 10,000 lines. Fast, powerful, yours to command.